Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the runtime errors on your Windows. So if you encounter the runtime errors, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type CMD, which stands for Command Prompt, and you have to click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here you have to type this command as sub c space forward slash scan now. It's as of C space forward slash scan now, then you have to hit on enter. So this process will take some time. There is no specific duration for this process. So this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, let's just wait for this in a while so that we can run the second command. Okay, so let's just wait for this. Now once done, type the second command. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And once this is 100% completed, then just simply close out of here. And finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.